prepare to be beamed by beam.
I shall strike at the heart of the beast. Missed it!
Close enough.
Eat it, ladies.
Let's go!
Sorry, Tammy. Oh, thank God.
Candy, you're gonna have to learn how to defend yourself when the wars happen.
Yeah.
Wick.
I mean, I'm not sure about the wars, but it's good to be confident and sure of yourself. I mean, you're always so nice all the time.
What can I say? I come from a long line of nice.
Hey, folks. Great fire, huh? Good job, Zoc. He really knows how to build them. Am I right? Okay, enough jokes. I just wanted to let you know I've been tinkering with another one of my inventions. My fork was a real game changer once everyone stopped stabbing each other. Okay, anyway, I've invented something called a pillow. And I've made one for everyone. It's great for sleeping and lounging. Don't everybody rush at once. Oh, okay, here we go. Sorry I was in the way. Where's the fire, buddy? Am I right? I'm joking. The fire's here. Zoc made it. Or the sky god did. We don't know. Okay, I just want to circle back to my pillows. I don't know if you know this, but I suffer from TMJ. Oh, good aim, Dia. It's a lot of power behind that throw. Bet that saber-tooth wishes he'd eaten both your arms. Pillow fight, am I right?
And what's wrong with being nice all the time?
Lydia.
Sorry. Okay, I'm sorry I said I'm sorry, but pretty good reflexes, right? Huh? They should make ducking a sport. Am I right? Guys?
Hi, how's everyone doing tonight? Anyone from out of town? Ugh, I haven't traveled in an ice age. Get it? Because the land bridge flooded. Oh, dating. Am I right? Neanderthal. More like Neanderthal. You back? Is this thing on? Oh, gosh. Anyone else have this problem? I do not know what to do with my hands in a cave painting. I just end up holding a spear. Wow, we're a tough crowd. Did you all crawl out from under a rock? Or the primordial soup? You know? Oh. Okay, well, remember to tip your waitstaff.